Hello there. Welcome back to the Poke Pack. We hope you guys are having a good day. I think we're having a pretty good day, right guys?
Yes.
Okay. Today we're going to have our first giveaway video. We have some Lost Origin packs here. 6 packs to be exact.
Ooh.
But you may think, well, there's only 5 of us here. Math doesn't add up. Well, we're each going to open a pack, and we're going to give away the best card from those packs, along with an unopened Lost Origin pack. Stick around to the end of the video, and we'll let you know how to enter the giveaway. So we're hoping to pull something really good today, but not for ourselves since we're giving it away, whatever the best card is. We're teaching our kids a little bit of selflessness because we might pull the best card in the set, and I'm sure Lucas would want to keep that, as we all would. All right, I'm gonna go first. I'll open the first pack. Again, guys, this is the Lost Origin set, the newest set. All right, we got Fighting Energy, Porygon 2, Silcoon, Mineshao,
Yep.
Poliwag, Oddish, Hisuian Growlithe, Seedot, Slugma, Reverse Hollow Mawile, and Cramorant. So non-hollow. Alright, Lucas is gonna go next.
Oh, whiteboard, that's okay though. Of Metal Energy, Arazu, Porygon 2, Silcoon, Bronzor, Snover, Jinx, Inkay, Squovet, Roserade Reverse Hollow, and a Gliscor non-hollow.
Alright, we're still waiting to pull that first hollow for you guys. We'll see.
At least a hollow.
Alright, Lily's gonna be up next. Oh, way to rip that pack open, Lily. Oh, we got a black border.
Yeah.
We'll probably get something.
What do you get something good? 2, 3, 4.
Okay, make sure you put them on the camera there, Lily.
At least a hollow. Here we go.
Okay, go ahead, Lily. Mineshao.
Show. Iscon. Carbink. Phalanx. Poliwag. Oddish. Oh no way!
You see something, Michael?
Yeah, it's insane. Growlithe. Look at it.
Growlithe.
Growlithe. Licky Tongue.
Ooh.
What? Whoa.
Look at that trainer card.
Oh, that might go to you guys.
And a hollow Vileplume.
Well, that's actually nice.
Both of these will go to them.
Oh, maybe both
Lily's
of them.
making
Well,
an
we'll see. We'll see.
Maybe.
We'll see the rules there. Let's give you guys a better look at this.
Well, definitely that one.
Nessa.
Probably
Trainer
Nessa.
card.
Probably Nessa. Yeah.
It's pretty nice. Good job, Lily. All right, guys. Jamie's up next. Let's see if she can beat Lily's pulls.
Oh, that was a pretty cute card. That's all I really want is cute cards.
If Mommy somehow beats Lily, then Lily would get to keep that.
Ooh, the black border.
Okay.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Let's bought it. You did 3. No, you didn't.
I think I did.
She did 4.
Yeah.
Energy.
Oh, I see.
Mirage Gate. Not to help me with the names. Torkoal?
Torkoal.
Torkoal. That makes way more sense.
Nuts!
That person, that trainer.
That's nuts.
Basculin?
Basculin.
Basculin. Jinx.
Makuhita.
Makuhita. Bronzor. Phalanx.
Yeah. Reverse Hollow Gastrodon. Ooh, Magnezone V.
Not bad.
Very cool.
But wait, I think that's almost. I don't think it beats Lily.
Maybe we'll be giving that card away. We'll see.
Who knows? Whatever one they want.
All right, guys. One guy left. Michael here. I'm going to get his pack started for him.
Oh, whiteboard.
White border, Michael. Here you go. Hold it up here. Nice job. Put them together. There you go.
Grass
Hold it up. Hold it up to the camera.
Grass energy.
Obama snow. Obama snow. Obama snow.
And a damage pump?
Yep.
It must do damage.
It's a Viper. Licky tongue. Slugma. Clefairy. Apom. Spinarak. I wonder what that card is. Oh, that's a quick reveal, Michael.
Wait, it's reverse hollow. I think.
Yep, reverse hollow. All right, guys, we finished opening our packs. Not too much luck today, but we did get this trainer.
That Lily pulled.
Lily got the trainer Nessa. We got a hollow Vileplume, which Lily also pulled. And then Jamie pulled the Magnezone V.
Girls have some luck today.
Yeah. What's up with that? Anyway, guys, we got these cards, and we have an unopened Lost Origin booster pack. So, we're going to be giving these away to one lucky person. So to enter the giveaway, we just need you guys to do 3 things. 1, like this video. 2, subscribe to our channel. And 3, comment below with which of these cards, or any of the other ones you saw, you want to receive. And we will pick a winner, send them the card that they chose, along with the unopened booster pack.
Yay, that sounds fun.
Okay, stay tuned for our next video. Bye.
Bye.